Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the connections section. Now just near the Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and by this way we can activate Wi-Fi on our device. Here you will see all of the available networks, and now you can select one from this network. For example, I'll go with the first one. Here you should enter your password to this network. In my case that's from 1 to 8, and by click once here on this icon you can see this password, just to show to see and to have some mistakes. Then after that just click to connect when you're sure that you have no mistake in your device, in your network password here. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select another network, enter here the password and click to connect. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi here, you should click here once again on this switcher. So also we got the second way. You just should open your notification panel here, and on the left the upper corner you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click here once on this icon and you will activate the Wi-Fi on your device. Just hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon and you will launch the same Wi-Fi settings, and by the same way you can just connect to one from these networks. And then you'll just want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.